Artists who use complementary colours. In this video, you will learn about 4 artists who use complementary colours. Complementary colours appear opposite each other on the colour wheel. Artists began to become particularly aware of the significance of complementary colours after the development of scientific colour theory in the 19th century. This theory played an important part in the development of Impressionism and Post-Impressionism, as well as much modern paintings thereafter. The Impressionists were the first to note that shadows are not neutral, but are complementary colours of the light that throws them, so yellow sunlight throws a violet shadow. The Impressionists were masters of colour and were very clever in how they used complementary colours to create stunning visual effects. Let's now go through some of the paintings by Claude Monet and Vincent van Gogh which utilise complementary colours. Claude Monet was a French painter who was born in 1840 and died in 1926. He was a founder of French Impressionist painting. Complementary colours can be seen very well in Claude Monet's Woman Seated on a Bench, which was painted in 1874, especially in the crease of her arm and the pool of shadow at her feet. This classic painting by Monet, called Sunrise, was painted in 1972. The sun is contrasted against the dull blue greys. The orange of the sun is actually not that intense, but when the rest of the painting is a dull blue grey, it looks very intense. Vincent van Gogh was born in 1853 and died in 1890. He was a Dutch post-impressionist painter who is amongst the most famous and influential figures in the history of Western art. This painting, called Vincent's Bedroom in All, was painted in 1889. In the painting of Van Gogh's bedroom, you have the very intense red of the bed sheets, which contrast against the dull green of the floor. You also have the intense orange of the bed frame, which contrasts against the weaker blue of the walls and doors. This painting, called Enclosed Field with the Rising Sun, was painted in 1889. The yellow sun is contrasted against the dull violets in the mountains, and all throughout the painting you can even see violet in the field of grass in the foreground. We will now look at 2 contemporary artists who use complementary colours in their work, Angela Wakefield and Augustus Francis. Angela Wakefield is an artist based in Lancashire and was born in 1978. Angela Wakefield captures the behaviour of light in wet conditions after rain at twilight in this painting called Radio City, with her clever use of intense purples and yellows in this urban landscape painting. Augustus Francis is an abstract painter and was born in 1986 in Santa Monica, USA. He is the son of the abstract expressionist Sam Francis. Colour is at the heart of his work. He manipulates colour, understanding how each hue reacts to another. This can be particularly seen with his diptych called Kind of Blue. Action and rhythm also become a code, a language of compressed actions and movements on the canvas.